Hello, everybody. Today we are going to be talking about Credo and what it is and how it can help you with your research papers or just for research for fun. So here we are at the Independence Public Library's webpage. Our webpage is www.independenceia.org/library. So we're going to start by going over here to Research and Explore, and under this tab, on the far left, we'll see Credo. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and it'll take us to this Credo information page, where it gives the background of where it comes from and the different resources that it has available, along with how-to PDFs. So there is a password that is required to get onto Credo, so you can either give us a call at 334-2470 or give us an email at iplprograms@gmail.com. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and click here on this Credo logo to head over to the Credo page. So in order to sign in, you would click up here and then type in the password where it would pop up right here. So we're going to start here at the search bar where you can search all sorts of different topics, and then you would hit this search icon right there. But for now, we're going to go ahead and scroll down through the main page. Here is several different research popular topics. So we have health and medicine, history, psychology, and then we have even more farther down. All sorts of fun different topics. So you'll notice here that they have several blue bubbles with words or subcategories. So if, for example, you want to know more about the Nobel Prize and the history of a Nobel Prize, we can go ahead and click on that. And it will take us to this reference page. So here it has articles, and it has articles from all different types of scientific journals and such things, encyclopedias and whatnot. So here at the top, you can either do articles or you can do images. Some topics even have videos, but this one does not. So here are some historical images on the Nobel Prize. And you'll see here on the right-hand side, each topic that we search for will have this blue button right here in the middle, and then it will have a web of all these different subtopics that relate to the Nobel Prize or whatever your topic is there in the middle. So, for example, if you wanted to learn more about peace, you could click on peace or Alfred Nobel himself. So here, we're going to go back to articles real quick. So let's say we have several articles here, but we don't want to read through all of them. We can do an advanced search and kind of slim down the articles that pop up. So we can either choose what type of articles we're reading, such as pro-con, definitions, or references. Let's go ahead and do references. So this will condense our search down a bit, but let's say there's still a lot. Here, let's go and click on only history subjects. And then let's do 2019. So here now we only have articles that are from 2019 that fit with all of these results or choices that we've placed here at the top. It also has key concepts, so if we're trying to find something particular, we can click on it and it will highlight those words in the articles and show articles that are specifically on that key concept. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click on this article here. So here we have related searches and related articles here on the right side. You'll also see that on the main search page or the results page here. So we're going to go back to the article itself, and you'll see here up at the top it has these 5 different options of what you can do with the article. So you can either save it, and it'll save on your saved items list at the top. You can create a citation, in APA, Chicago, Harvard, or MLA. That will definitely help with your research papers. However, I would suggest continuing to go through and make sure that it is accurate. There's nothing worse than missing one point because your citation was off just by a little bit. You can also print out the article, share it via email, or you can have it read out loud. A lot of articles will also have a translate button here at the top as well, which we can look for. Find an article that has that. So, Constitution of the United States. There's the translate button, and it has several different languages that it can translate to for several different articles. So we're going to go ahead and go back to the Credo main page. We're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom here, and they have all sorts of fun videos on helpful tips on how to do an excellent research paper, or how to research for your research paper. So there you go. That is Credo. Feel free to give us a call if you have any questions at 319-334-2470. Okay.